In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find winning products on CJ Dropshipping, best method. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly spot products that are worth your time. We'll keep this simple, clear, and repeatable. First, open a CJ Dropshipping account. Head over to the CJ Dropshipping website, create your account, and log in. Having an account is essential because it unlocks the full product catalog and the data you need to make a smart decision. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the top navigation menu. This is where you'll access the main catalog and the key metrics that tell you if a product has real traction. Next, click Global Products at the top. This is the main marketplace view where CJ lists items available to source and list to your store. Inside Global Products, you'll see a wide range of categories, filters, and product cards. Each product card includes important details such as images, variations, pricing, and the performance indicators we care about for validation. Now here's the best method to identify winning products on CJ. Look for a high number of listings. The listings or listed by count shows how many stores have already added that product through CJ. A higher number is a strong signal that the item is moving. Other sellers chose it because it sells. Think of it as social proof within the platform. When you see a product with significantly more listings than similar items in its category, that's a strong candidate. However, don't stop at popularity alone. Also check its inventory. Click into the product detail page and look at stock availability. You want to see consistent, healthy inventory levels so you're not promoting an item that will immediately go out of stock. Pay attention to how many units are currently available and whether there are multiple warehouse options. Stable or frequently replenished stock means fewer fulfillment headaches and a better customer experience. If a product shows a high listing count but inventory is thin or erratic, consider passing on it because demand without supply creates delays and cancellations. To recap, open your CJ Dropshipping account, go to Global Products, scan for items with a high number of listings, and confirm that the inventory is strong and reliable. Use these two signals together, popularity and stock, to quickly narrow down products with real potential. Follow this method consistently, and you'll build a sharper eye for winners in less time.